Hey, what's going on, guys? You're getting tuned in with another tutorial. Listen, I told y'all before in my other video, right? I'm saying when I had to go somewhere, and next thing you know, I just sent all the leads, the information, everything to learn about this opportunity, right? Now, this this shorty, let me see, yeah, this shorty sent her the info, and this person, when I sent the information, the next thing I was like, okay, thanks for the responder, and I was like, you welcome. I sent this person information. So as well as this one and stuff like that. But you got a few of them set up appointment to learn about this information. So he probably called. But one thing about this, I have everything, you know what I'm saying, in my training that you need. If somebody call, I have a script that you can read and tell them about the opportunity. Or, you know what I'm saying, I had the script to tell him, you know what I'm saying, tell them about the benefits. So it's all in, you know what I'm saying, it's all in the package. All right, let me show y'all something. Oh yeah, that's my sales script. Say like next thing you know, you send a person the information. You send a person information, but they ask you like, I don't get it. I went through your website, but how does it work? And next thing you know, by the first message, like right here, and your website, you'll have the videos, everything explaining the presentation and the compensation plan. Compensation plan, like how do you get paid and how it works when you get paid. And now right here, now when you text back like I don't get it, next thing you know, you tell them like, let's be honest, did you go through my website completely? You know what I'm saying? So next thing you know, you be like, so all I have to do is referral people. Is it hard getting people to join? Which is, you be like, yes, the key is promoting the right way. In my case, people come to me for the information instead of me going to people. I can teach you how to do that. It has nothing to do if you are popular or famous. It's all techniques. I'm willing to train you so you can get started making money as quick as next week. Right? And then note, if you are doing the formula, people will come to you. Basically. Alright. Now let me tell you about the other script. Like the opportunity. The opportunities, let me see, the opportunity script. Hold on, that's the business cards. You will have your own business cards. I made them custom made and stuff like that. This right here, this the pro starter kit. Right here, this right here is the book that also come with the training. The how to, you know what I'm saying, contact people uh all across the world and stuff like that, which is like how to market it, the places that you go to, and you can matter of fact, it's an email sales, yeah, it's an email sales scripts. There's an email sales script in it that show you, you know what I'm saying, what to do. I can't, you know what I'm saying, explain too much and everything about it, but the only thing you got to do once you get the email, and I show you where to go at to get the email to sell to like car dealerships and stuff like that, and you send that email. Next thing you know, that email is automatically gonna do its thing, and from the order responder, it automatically follow up with them leads daily, constantly, basically. All right, let's get back to this. All right, look, this the leads, you know what I'm saying, I told you on Thursday. Now also, you know what I'm saying, I have more leads. There's more leads, and I didn't even, know what I'm saying, contact. But, you know what I'm saying, I threw up an ad like this, right? Now, what I do is, let's see. Go right here. You know what I'm saying, put my script. Bang. Reply. And just put check your inbox. And then hit like. Just like this person. Message. Look at that. Bang. Go right here. Check your inbox. Now you gotta think about it. You got some people that's not gonna agree, call it a scam. Man, how's it a scam? You selling, I'm saying, unlimited roadside assistance, but we advertising in two different ways how to make money, and I'm saying providing a service for people. But if that person, I'm saying, afraid on making money, that's your problem. That's your problem. You know what I'm saying? You gotta, you know what I'm saying, some down the point of the line, you gotta learn how to, you know what I'm saying, create another income stream. And people, this is like a side hobby that I do right here. Like, this is a side hobby that I do. Why not make money like when you actually on the social media? And you gotta think about this. How you think people, you know what I'm saying, like when they post videos up on YouTube, you know them people get paid, you know what I'm saying, just for like people that view their whatever they advertise or promoting, or they have just regular videos or car crash videos or talent videos, and they get a lot of views. You get paid for that. So why not create another income stream? Come on now. And people, this social media. Why? You know what I'm saying, like, I ain't the type of person that just post anything. Like, okay, I'm here, I'm gonna take a picture of myself and say, oh, this and third. Well, you can do that, you know what I'm saying, because, you know what I'm saying, that's actually, you know what I'm saying, showing you having a good time though. But in the mix, I'm gonna advertise the opportunity for people, you know what I'm saying, can make a change. Like, and people does, you can't change the world unless you change yourself. I tell you that. Like, and one thing about it is, it's two things. You could it's called basically like two things. It's the two things is surviving and living. If you survive, you know what I'm saying, if you survive, you go, you know what I'm saying, you get it, you know what I'm saying, 9 to 5, you know what I'm saying, gig and everything, survive, you know what I'm saying, pay like rent for rent and everything. You know what I'm saying? If you want to live and everything, that's where come that luxury, you know what I'm saying, the car, you know what I'm saying, dream car that you want, nice crib, you know what I'm saying, you got the opportunity to go places, do this, whatever you want. You know what I'm saying? And one thing about it, you can actually, you know what I'm saying, travel. You could travel without, you can travel without coming back. You can stay out there on vacation and still make money from anywhere. Now, think about this. You have, you know what I'm saying, people that's on probation. But one thing about probation, the people that's on probation, they can't leave state. They got to, you know what I'm saying, get permission just to leave state, right? Now, just imagine. Now, if I work, you know what I'm saying, 9 to 5 gig, right? 9 to 5 gig. And I want to travel. I got to, you know what I'm saying, check and see, you know what I'm saying, how many days I got off and everything for vacation time. And then I got to, you know what I'm saying, I can't stay out there where I'm at on vacation. I got to report right back to to go to that job. That's like probation to me. You know what I'm saying? But certain things fit certain people boat and everything. But like, hey, I got a great mind and everything, and I'm using my mind. But you know what I'm saying? Peep this. There's so many different methods how you can advertise this. You can use a proximity mine. Yeah, you can use a proximity beacon. That's you purchase, and you can walk around, and next thing you know, people automatically get your URL, which is like your website, on their phone. Yeah, you could use the beacon, and next thing you know, you could you could use the beacon. You could use the business cards. You could use flyers, and you could use this method. You know what I'm saying? Which is like this method is free. but you can't throw a campaign. That's yeah, you can't throw a campaign. So it's different methods. How can you do it too? So what I'm saying, think about this. It's multiple ways, you know what I'm saying, how you can advertise. But you gotta keep it going. You gotta stay consistent. All right. Okay. And when I told you this before and everything, you got some people that you know what I'm saying dislike, you know what I'm saying, what a lot of people, you know what I'm saying, doing. That don't mean, you know what I'm saying, for you to stop. Keep doing it. Like, alright. I just sent all that. Alright, let's hold on. Somebody just I got a new message right here. Alright, go ahead. Alright, let's see. Let me scroll down. I think it was this one. Hold on, I gotta all right, yeah, let me try this one. There's a couple more in there. All right, I got two people. Let's see, they be all over and everything, but one thing about it, your inbox, your inbox, go and tell them, what I'm saying, like tell you how many notifications you got and stuff like that, messages and stuff. But you can, I'm saying, definitely recheck it. Sometimes I do get kind of lost, and I be thinking I'm done. But next thing you know, I just got to check back over it. Look at that. This stuff is real simple and easy. Right. Even though I ain't got that much time left, I'm trying to get it. But yeah, you get the drill. I told y'all, for those who want my training and stuff like that, I got a website for them to go on. You know what I'm saying, to go to, they purchase it. Or you can just ask me personally and I'll send you the information. Join my team, trust me, I'll teach you how to earn. Peace.